Speaking about Facebook, they have a brand new prompt. At least they're testing a new prompt with the intention of making sure that you read an article before you share it. So they're trying to make, I guess they're trying to make sure that people are a little more responsible about sharing something, reposting something without necessarily knowing the entire contents. They may just like the headline and be like, oh, I'm going to repost that, spread it around. But they didn't even look at the details. And so what happens here is you go to click share, and if you didn't open it to read the thing, it then prompts you and says, sharing articles without reading them may mean missing key facts. You're about to share this article without opening it. Quick reminder, you didn't read that yet.
Yeah.
Before you share it.
FYI.
Now, Twitter actually launched something similar, so Facebook is following in their footsteps a little bit here, but I mean, it seems to be a concern. They talk about this stuff in the courtroom all the time. They're like, misinformation, and dare I say fake news or whatever you want to.
Sure.
So maybe this is one minor way to at least put a little pause in there. It's similar to Twitter's mean tweet thing, kind of. Put a little pause in there, like, wait, do I want to share that? Let me read that again. And then you read it, and they're like, oh, maybe I'll keep that one to myself.
Yeah.
But who knows? People can still share it. You can still continue sharing. Like, there's two options. It's either open article, finish reading it, or continue sharing. So still up to the individual.